Hey everybody, it's Dr. Schultz. Let's get started with our class today. In class today, you are going to be finishing up with your gliders. You're going to be building the gliders, and then you're going to be testing them out in the hallway to see if you can get them to land in the landing area. It is very important that you use your time wisely today. You should be finished building your glider within the first 25 to 30 minutes of class. It should not take you more than that to finish building your glider. After that, you're going to move out into the hallway with your partner, and you are going to launch the glider from the ladder and towards the target area. And the goal is to get your glider to fly so that it lands in the rectangle that's marked on the floor. It must actually hit the floor inside of the rectangle. In other words, it can't just slide into the rectangle. This is going to take some trial and error. It's not going to work the first time. And you'll have to make adjustments to the control surfaces on your gliders. When you think you're able to do it consistently and you can get the glider to land in the target rectangle, then you can just go ahead and have your partner videotape or video record the actual launch and landing. So you'll want to have your partner standing down by the landing area and look backwards on the plane to see the plane as it gets launched, and as it goes through the air, and as it hits the landing area. That's a video that you need, and you'll have to upload that video into the glider log. So today, that's going to be your mission. You've got to finish building, and you've got to do your testing. We only have one more block day after this to work on this. So really, the goal is to get as far as you can today, and to really see if you can land the glider or get close to landing it in the target area today. There are a few things you should have open on your Chromebooks as you're working today. Of course, the glider building instructions document. That's on Google Classroom. We used this the other day. This has instructions for finishing up your gliders. Since I'm not there today, it's really important that you are using this and you're looking at the pictures and you're following the directions. The other thing that you'll want to be looking at is the 2025 glider project. You can click on the link or you can go onto Classroom to find this, and that is the document that is going to have, be the place where you upload your videos and answer questions. So you should open this now on your Chromebooks, and you can probably even start answering the first couple of questions about who your partners are and what your glider number is. After that, there's more information that you can probably do later. I would say today, really just try to focus on building your gliders and getting them to land in the target area. But you can take a look at some of the other things that you'll need to be putting into this document. You'll need a picture, you'll have to master glider. There are things that you can be working on in class on that as well. One other thing about this document, if you want to get a head start, is if you go down to question 13, questions 13, 14, 15, and 16 are physics questions. And those are questions that you can answer whenever you want. You could work on those this weekend, right? You can work on them outside of class. And this will save you a lot of time if you don't work on them in class. So I would encourage you in your groups to kind of like maybe split these up. Each person could take a question or two, and then next week you can just kind of compare your answers and decide if you agree with those, and you can finalize it. So again, questions 13 through 17 are physics questions that you all should be able to answer at this point. So that's what we have going on today. Hey, if you are just coming to class for the first time today, if you were not here in our last class, you may join a team with 2 people. In fact, that is your only option. So you may not join a team with 3 people, and you cannot work by yourself. So anyone who is fresh to class, who was not starting on the project, you are going to join a team of 2 people today. So I know that you'll do that. Okay? So good luck, everyone. Good flying, and I will see you next week.